Hi everybody, it's Stacey from LoveHealth.us. I'm starting the Plant Paradox Phase 1 detox, 3-day detox from Dr. Stephen Gundry's book. And I'm gonna just do a quick video to show you what I'm eating today so that you have an idea of what the heck you can eat when you're on Phase 1. It's not easy because I've been kind of starting to eat healthy for the past 5 years. So I've been preparing for this, and for the past few months I've been preparing for this, eating like what I call Dr. Gundry-Style. So I'll explain in video 1, I explain and give an overview about the Plant Paradox book, so check that out if you want to see what I'm talking about. But if you already know what I'm talking about, here's my salad for today. I'm gonna make the same salad for lunch tomorrow. And what do we have here? We've got some romaine, some Swiss chard, walnuts, walnut oil, balsamic vinegar, sea salt, and pepper. It looks pretty good. You can add a little bit of meat, but it has to be like pasture-raised chicken, which is difficult to get, or small amounts of fish. So I just decided to kind of do the vegan vegetarian style, but there's options available for omnivores, don't worry. So if you want more information about this, I'm gonna make a few videos. I'll be making some veggies. I'll do a little film on that too and post it. It'll be, all the videos will be also linked to my website, LoveHealth.us, and you can find me or follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So I'm gonna be doing this in order to follow my own progress and kind of report to you how it's going for me, because if everything's true in his book, this should help me with my issues that I want to clear up, and hopefully my family and friends and everybody out there that wants to give it a try, and you as well. All right, so take care, live it up, it's later than you think, and love you, mean it. See you later. Bye. Thanks.